bros, welcome to Flux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp directly from your mobile phone without downloading any additional apps. If you're running low on storage or simply want a faster, more convenient way to chat ChatGPT, this method is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up and start chatting in no time. So let's get started. What exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot that can answer questions, generate ideas, assist with writing tasks, and even help you solve problems all through natural, human-like conversations. Imagine having a virtual assistant right in your pocket, ready to help anytime you need it. Whether you're looking for quick answers, brainstorming creative ideas, or getting assistance with daily tasks, ChatGPT is here to make your life easier. So let's set up ChatGPT on WhatsApp and start using this powerful AI tool without downloading any additional apps. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your phone. From here you have two easy options to get started. You can either save the number in your contacts and give it a name like ChatGPT Assistant, or you can simply search for this number directly in the WhatsApp search bar without saving it. This flexibility makes it quick and convenient to start chatting with ChatGPT without any additional setup. Scan the QR code. Open your phone's QR code scanner or use your camera app if it supports QR scanning. Point the scanner at the QR code, and once it detects the code, tap the link that appears. This link will automatically open a WhatsApp chat with ChatGPT, giving you instant access to the AI assistant. No need to download any additional apps. Step 3. Start chatting. Once the chat window opens, you're ready to start talking to ChatGPT. Simply type hello or any message to initiate the conversation. From here, you can ask questions, request ideas, or get assistance with tasks like writing, problem solving, or brainstorming. Let's test it out with an example question. You can type, "What are the top 5 beautiful places in the world?" ChatGPT might respond with something like this. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT through WhatsApp is that it saves valuable storage space on your phone. Instead of downloading the ChatGPT app, which can take up significant space, especially if you're running low on storage, this method allows you to use ChatGPT directly within WhatsApp. This means you can enjoy the full functionality of ChatGPT without sacrificing storage for other important files, photos, or apps on your mobile device. It's fast, lightweight, and efficient, perfect for users who want convenience without compromising performance. Enjoy the experience. Now that you've set up ChatGPT on WhatsApp, you're ready to explore its features. Whether you're looking for travel suggestions, writing tips, quick answers to questions, or even creative brainstorming, ChatGPT is just a message away. With no need to download an additional app, this method keeps your phone clutter-free while giving you access to the latest AI technology anytime, anywhere. And that's it. You've just learned how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp without downloading any additional apps. It's simple, fast, and saves storage on your phone, perfect for anyone who needs quick access to AI-powered assistance. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Flux for more tech tips and tutorials. Have any questions about setting this up? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, good luck and peace.